admitted students must accept or decline their offer of admission for study abroad. This video will explain how to take this action. Please take a moment to disable your pop-up blocker to complete the following steps, and keep in mind that pages on Albert can take several seconds to load. First, you'll log into Albert using your NetID and password. From the Albert homepage, you'll select Applicants. Here, under Admissions, click on the Application Status link. Here, you'll see your offer of program admission. Click on the purple Admissions Offer button to proceed. Next, click the blue Accept Decline link and you'll be taken to the page where you will choose whether to accept or decline your offer of admission. There is a button for Accept and a button for Decline. If you plan to attend, click the Accept button and follow the prompts to make your non-refundable deposit payment. The transaction may take several seconds to load, so please be patient. In addition, some payment cards may have a low per transaction limit, and you can consult your bank or credit card issuer if you experience any difficulty processing the payment. If you no longer plan to participate, you'll choose Decline to remove yourself from the applicant pool. Many programs have waitlists, so it's important for us to know if you no longer plan to attend. Students who have been admitted to multiple programs should complete this series of steps for each program. You can expect to receive a confirmation email after completing these steps. If you have any questions before you feel comfortable making a decision, please contact our office to discuss.